Hello viewers, this is Dr. Sangeeta Datta, consultant psychiatrist, and today we shall discuss parent-child relationship. Like every other relationship in the modern society, this relationship also has developed a lot of complexities. Many parents come to us and say that their child has become disobedient, their child has got into drugs, their child has become an internet addict, their child has become rebellious and demanding, and so on and so forth. Yes, these are genuine problems faced by parents today. I would like to give you a few tips and solutions to some of the problems that you're facing today. Upbringing of children is very important, and it starts at a very young age. From a very early age, try to teach your children the right kind of values and instill the right kind of values and moral education in them. Have a very friendly relationship with them so that they share whatever they have in their life with you. To start with, initially you can start with storytelling, playing indoor games with them, spending quality time with them. We completely understand that these days parents are very busy. So we are not asking you to spend quantity time with them. It is, you can spend less amount of time with them. The time that you spend with them has to be of good quality. That is, it has to be an absolute time with them. So you cannot be busy with something else when you're with them. That helps because the child understands that the child is important for you. A lot of parents make the mistake of giving them a mobile phone very early in life so that the child remains busy in his own world and the parent can complete his or her own task without any disturbance from the child. And later, this turns into a big problem because the child becomes addicted to the internet or the child gets addicted to a game, a mobile phone game. So you have to remember that you giving a smartphone to a child very early in life to allow yourself to be free from all hassles of bringing up a child is never the solution. It will create new problems. Instead of that, spend quality time with children. Disciplining children is very important, and when it comes to discipline, we have to instill democratic discipline. When we say when we talk about imposing democratic discipline, we basically mean to say that a child will be given his rights, but there will be responsibilities which a child will have to stick to. And we make this very clear from a very young age. Some parents practice what is called permissive discipline. That is, they allow the child to do and live their lives the way they want. And later, when the child's demands grow, or when the child goes out of hand, then the parents cry and regret that why was I so lenient with the child to start with? So that is never a solution. On the other hand, some parents are extremely strict with their children. They even use corporal punishment. That is also wrong because that is called authoritarian discipline, and authoritarian discipline makes a child very rebellious. Sometimes a child may become submissive because of authoritarian discipline out of fear, but again, the personality development in that child will be very unhealthy. So that is also not a solution. Try to become a role model to your child. So if you want your child not to tell lies, you do not tell lies too. If you want your child not to spend excessive time on social media, be a role model in that area too. Children often imitate and learn what they see. So beware of what you show them. Try not showing them anything very negative so that they imitate this and tomorrow you regret. Apart from this, as a child grows up to be an adolescent, we have to constantly monitor the child as to who are the people he meets. Is he in right company? What does he do basically when he's on the internet? Is he accessing I would say pornography sites, or is he accessing something which is very harmful? So we have to be very alert. Remember, monitoring does not mean that you will try policing your child. Monitoring just means that very subtly, you're keeping an eye on your child's activities. And very subtly, again, you're trying to guide him in the right direction. Apart from this, treat your child as an individual. Talk to him face to face and try to understand his world and his problems and try to solve his problems too. If you are nice to your child, if you treat him with respect, I'm sure he will treat you with respect too. Despite all efforts, there are children who are disobedient, who are weak in academics, who are rebellious, etc. In that case, you may have to seek professional help. Sometimes children also show some new behaviors. They were initially very, very good in studies, but gradually they show deteriorating scholastic performance. Initially, they were very friendly. Now they're showing aggressive behavior. In that case also, please do not hesitate to approach a psychiatrist or a mental health professional. It is very important to bring up your child in a positive way so that his present and future stays positive. Do remember to like this video or subscribe this video, and we promise to come back with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye, take care.